Welcome to the course on 5021 Design of Machine Elements. In this lecture, we are discussing a problem related to design of keys. So before going to the problem, just check the standard dimensions that are used in while designing a key. So in the last problem, we have by calculation we have reached a value of 10.88. That is, in the last problem, we have calculated the width of the key as 10.88, but we have chosen the width as 12 mm. So there are some standard sizes that has to be chosen while we are designing a key. So these are the standard size given key section, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. In that, after 10 by 8, we can see that it's a 12 by 8. After 10, it is 12. We are not using a key of size 11 or width 11 mm. So we can refer this table for selecting the key dimension. Okay, we have to take the standard size. So this is the problem. A shaft of 50 mm diameter is transmitting 15 kilowatt at 200 rpm. A square key having 12 mm side and 75 mm long is used for the shaft. Determine the induced shear stress and compression stress in the key. So first we are noting that given parameters. Diameter of the shaft is given. Power transmitted by the shaft is power transmitted by the shaft P is equal to 15 kilowatt, which is equal to 15 into 10 to the power 3 watt. And we are using a square key. Having 12 mm side, so we have width of the key is equal to thickness of the key is equal to 12 mm and length of the key L is equal to 75 mm. We are using a square key and we have to find the induced shear stress and compression stress. Induced shear stress tau Ki, induced compression stress in the key sigma Ck. These are the two parameters that we have to find. Okay. So we have the expressions for finding induced shear stress and crushing stress. Induced shear stress in the key tau Ki is equal to 2 T max divided by LWD, where L is the length, W is the width of the key, D is the diameter of the key. And induced crushing stress in the key, that is induced crushing stress in the key sigma Cky is equal to 4 T max divided by LTD, where T is the thickness of the key. So in these two expressions, there is a term called as T max, maximum torque transmitted. That is not directly given in this question, but we have to calculate the value of T max. So we know the expression power transmitted by a shaft is equal to 2 pi n T max by 60, or T max is equal to power transmitted P into 60 divided by 2 pi n. So from the question, it is given that power is 15 kilowatt and n is 200 rpm. 15 kilowatt we are writing in watts, 15 to 10 raised to 3 into 60 divided by 2 pi into rpm is 200. So this is equal to 716.19 Newton meter. That is, when we are taking power in watt and n in rpm, you will get maximum torque in Newton meter. So Newton meter. So 716 716.19 Newton meter is the maximum torque transmitted by the shaft. But we have to do calculation in Newton mm, right? Because all our dimensions are mm. So T max is equal to 716.19 into 10 raised to 3 Newton mm. So from this we are going to calculate the induced shear stress. Tau induced shear stress, tau Ki is equal to 2 T max divided by LWD is equal to 2 into 716.19 into 10 raised to 3 divided by length of the key is 75 into W 12 into diameter of the shaft is 50, is equal to 31.83 Newton per mm square or megapascal. Next is induced crushing stress in the key is equal to 4 T max divided by LTT, 4 into 716.19 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 75 into thickness and width will be same. So 75 into 12 into D, diameter of the shaft 50, is equal to 63.66 megapascal or Newton per mm square. Both are same. So this is the induced shear stress and induced crushing stress in the key material.